All right, we have Tyler here with us this afternoon. How did you find our office here?
Well, actually a friend forwarded me a video of this and he's like, you should try this. He knows that I have a transitional vertebrae and I have some pain with that, and he said to check this out, and so here I am, and I'm really excited to try this. So,
how long have you been dealing with the discomfort?
Probably about 4 or 5 years.
But more recently, a couple weeks ago, you were on your knees.
I was on my knees working, and I felt like a pop, and then some, I don't know, tingling down this side of my leg, and then a little bit on my back. And yeah, I knew that when I had that happen to me, I should probably come in and get that looked at.
Take some meaningful action.
Absolutely,
right?
Absolutely.
That should feel pretty comfortable around the neck. We're gonna be just above that bone right there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and you're gonna just do your best to relax your midsection.
Sure.
Okay. This is. All right. Nice big breath in. All the way up. We'll do 3 of those. Yeah. Again. Good. And one more.
Whoa.
Yeah, keep breathing through that. It's a pretty dynamic adjustment, right?
Holy crap.
He's still kicking. Where did you feel that primarily?
The entire spine.
Yeah.
But mainly down in my lower back section. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
There's a little bit of restriction over here. Again, just let your head just drop. Okay, again. How did that one compare to the first?
Similar.